Are you tired of manually transferring leads from Facebook to Zoho CRM, losing valuable time and potential customers? In this video, I'll show you how to connect Facebook lead ads to Zoho CRM using Zapier, automating the entire process and freeing you up to focus on what matters most. Closing deals first. You'll need accounts on Facebook, Zoho CRM, and Zapier. Log into Zapier and click the Create Zap button. In the Trigger section, search for and select Facebook lead ads. Choose New Lead as the trigger event. Then connect your Facebook account and select the specific Facebook page and lead ad form you want to use. Next, in the Action section, search for and select Zoho CRM. Choose Create Record as the action event. Connect your Zoho CRM account and select the Zoho CRM module you want to populate, such as leads or contacts. Now, map the fields from your Facebook lead ad form to the corresponding fields in your Zoho CRM module. This tells Zapier where to put the information it receives from Facebook. For example, map the full name field from Facebook to the last name field in Zoho CRM. Review all your settings to make sure everything is correct and click Test Action to send a sample lead from Facebook to Zoho CRM. Finally, turn your Zap on. Now, whenever someone fills out your Facebook lead ad, their information will automatically be added to Zoho CRM, triggering any follow-up actions you have set up, such as sending a welcome email or assigning the lead to a sales representative. Congratulations! You've successfully automated your lead generation process.